Ditch the desk and get ready to roll on a high-tech career as a certified international truck or IC bus technician. Technicians are critical to our dealers, getting commercial trucks back on the road and children to and from school safely. Become a certified technician in less time than a college degree and without the big student loans. Then start at a dealership with great pay and a different experience every day.
Be doing one thing in the shop, and then you could be out on the road the next day. And it's a great industry to be in. It's great.
Technicians can enjoy stable careers with many paths forward and a healthy work-life balance. We are committed to reducing our environmental footprint and supporting meaningful change in our communities. And our vehicles are packed with technology. That's where you come in. As we move quickly to alternative powertrains, our independent dealerships across North America are looking for highly skilled technicians to diagnose and fix issues every day.
You apply yourself and you work hard, it's pretty much wide open.
Launching your technician career is only the beginning of opportunities for lifelong training, recognition, and professional growth in this dynamic field.
Some technicians will move up into management, but there's tons of other opportunities as well with service advising or roles like mine, being internal technical support, training managers. There's lots of different avenues you can pursue, so you just got to find the thing that suits what you're passionate about and chase.